see this first generation done. We're like 6, 7 episodes in, and we're gonna be on this forever. It's like 16, 17 generations. So just to recap, reread this information. So we're on generation 1, farm life. This was started by her EA ID is Just Foolin 609. I think her name is Jessica. I found this legacy on a Facebook group I follow. But that's where I got the information from. So generation 1, farm life. Started out with your 20,000 simoleons and no family left. You head out to start your new life. Living off the land has always been your dream. You head to Hinford on Bagley to start and run a successful farm, hoping to meet a nice local and settle down to start your family. You hope someday your child will take over the farm and continue your legacy. Okay, so our things that we need to have: career, no job, but you need gardening and odd jobs only, which we have been doing. Her aspiration is the country caretaker, and her traits are she loves the outdoors, animal enthusiast, self-assured, and then our challenge, which we do have, simple living and wild foxes, and then our goals are to complete the aspiration, which we have not done yet. We have to marry a townie. We did. He passed away a while ago. We do have 2 kids, and we are getting close to maxing out our gardening skill. And I don't know about the successful farm. I don't know if we ever going to get there, but we do have a shop where we sell our stuff from our farm. Okay, so we are 2 out of 4 for the aspiration, so we have 2 more to go, and we're trying to get this done before her children become, I think it's young adults or teenagers. We'll see, whichever we get to first. So we don't have to. We need all the time we can have. Like, that's what I'm trying to say for the next generation. So yeah. So this is Asteria and her kids, and let's get started. Okay. So our first goal is to finish this aspiration. So we have 3 out of the 4 we need for level 2. We just gotta, harvest this perfectly quality oversized crop. And our oversized crop is, I believe, no, it's not that. It is over here. Okay, so fertilizer is depleted. So let's fertilize this. Get up, girl. We ain't got time for you to sleep. You can sleep after we do this. Yeah, so we've been doing good with this, okay? The water's good. The crop is healthy. I don't know if it's gonna be perfect. Oh Lord, the Green Reaper is here. Are you here to take some of my chickens? I think so. Yeah. Here to take some of my chickens. Who is this? Black Rooster. Lord, one last pet. Okay. Well, at least he died full and clean. Poor chicken. We just, instead of going through animals, we ain't gonna have no animals in a while. Let's clean Barbara. Feed Barbara, and maybe we can milk her. And then feed, clean Llama Llama, and let's shear Llama Llama too. Okay? And then we're gonna open the store because we're trying to sell everything. Yeah. That's what we have. It is Saturday, so our kids don't have school. Yeah, we're just trying to, like, I don't think she's, is she shearing her? It doesn't look strong, nor is it, I can't see that. My thing is in the way. I'm gonna have to move that. Strong, nor is it consistent, very consistent. I don't think it'll, okay. Alright then. Yeah. Okay, so let's open the store. I still have all of the stuff that I had when I originally opened the store. So, I don't know what's going on. Let's see if I can put some of the stuff that's in her inventory out here to sell. Hey, Asteria, I fancy some Sakura. Not right now. Sorry, but not right now. What is this? This is quality accent. Excellent. Shoot. Put some wool out so they can sell. All of this stuff is not. Okay, what did our milk have? 2 days. Can we put more milk out? I'm trying to sell as much as possible. Okay, we need to go in the case. Airlock. Oh my goodness. I'm having that thing again where nobody's gonna come to my shop? I think so. Okay, so we will be right back, y'all. Yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, Bob Tribe. I think I fixed this. Okay? I'm so tired of always trying to fix stuff. And then they talk about this new marketplace. Like, if I gotta start getting my mods and my CCs off of the marketplace and have to pay for them. Like, I love all of the creators. I love my people that make my CCs. I love people that make my mods. It does work. Hey, Bella Goth. I'm just not trying to play an arm and a leg, y'all. This is just supposed to be for fun. Like, I get y'all need to make y'all money, and I'm all for making y'all money, okay? Listen. If anybody trying to make some money, I'm trying to make some money, okay? So I get it. But I can't be paying everybody to get their mods and their CCs. Like, I will go back to basic gameplay. Well, you better go home if you gotta pee. Why everybody gotta use the bathroom? Maybe I should include a bathroom. Anyway, I'll go back to base game and play that way because I can't. No working. What you mean it's not working? I can't do with this power thing. Jesus. Okay, so close because I need my money. $28. I'm gonna close it and open it back up. I need some more of these. This is the issue. What was I saying? Oh, this marketplace thing. No. I can't, y'all. I can't afford it. I'm on a teacher's salary. Teacher's salary. Like, I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Um. Upgrade items. I need power. Power. Crafting. I don't need lighting. I need power. Um. Jesus. Okay, I need. That's a heater. No, I need something for power. Do I not have anything? What the heck is that? Okay. Yeah, I have so many like so much stuff I don't play with. And I just don't be know what to do with it. Where is the Okay, here we go. Classic. Okay, is this gonna help me get power? Okay, off the grid power. And it's gonna take all of my money. Jesus. Can you go here? $42. I can't even open the shop back. Is it gonna upgrade? Okay. Alright then. I can't open the store back up because I don't have any money. So I'm just gonna have to sell some of this stuff. And I didn't know the gnome cost $200. You just taking out of my animals, aren't you, Grim? Or did I not save it? Because I could have sworn you just took one. Girl, come collect these eggs while the Grim is taking your chicken. Go on, pet him. You just be taking everybody, don't you, Grim? I need them. Don't be petting on my chicken. And you just not phased at all. She collected 2 eggs. Sure. Now, what was I lost my train of thought. I don't know. I don't know what I was saying. It is in season, but when can I harvest it? Because I need it for my thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, so, dang, but it's 10 o'clock at night. I don't want to. Okay, we're going to open first thing in the morning. Oh, I'm going to say, y'all better go to bed, but y'all ain't even got to. Oh, ma'am, get your butt in here and finish this project. Okay? Can you help her with the project? Assist with project, because your sister is just. And stop with that. Thank you. Go do what you're supposed to do. Oh my goodness. Y'all, like, unused small business. Okay, I am gonna have to I'm gonna have to move this. Because I can't see it. You can't see it, but I can see it on my computer screen. Yeah. Let's put you here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know. You can't see it, but I can. And it's tearing my nerves up. Okay. I need a perfectly quality. Oh, am I on the third? Oh my goodness. I'm on the third one. I thought I was on the second one. Oh, so I'm almost there. Okay. I thought I was on the second one. Okay. This household is generating the power supply surplus. Okay. Okay. So what can I buy then? I have 2 perk points. Sway to buy. Okay. That one's leave a tip. I don't need a tip. I just need y'all to buy the stuff I got. Okay. Yes. Yeah, we want you. Striving startup. Okay. And yeah, we'll use this for now. And then we'll take it back later. Okay. Yes. Let's do that. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna open because we can and we need money. And why are you out here with no clothes on, honey? You was gonna freeze to death. My poor chicken. I mean, girl, I don't know what you want me to do about your chicken. Animals come and go. So, yeah. Put put your cold clothes on. Your cold weather clothes on. You're gonna freeze to death and then we really gonna have to play as your kids. Okay, come by. Come, everyone. I'm so ready to be done with the winter. And we're just on day 7. I feel like we've been in the first few days for forever. Hey, girl, that's right. Run up in here and get these deals. Okay? No working key. Oh, my goodness. Can I get, like... I'm wasting money at this point. What all the lights on? All the lights. All candles. We don't have money for y'all to be doing this. Jesus. I need other ways to make power. I need other ways to make power because I can't afford it. 96. I'm just about to sell everything in my inventory and start from the beginning because I don't know where I got a toy from. It was $155 though. Let's get. I don't know, friend. I feel like I'm selling my grocery. Tomato, you can go. Strawberries, you can go. I feel like I just brought this stuff. And I'm gonna need it to cook with. I'm trying not to sell the food. Okay, I'm up to 1,000. Okay. Let's see if, excuse me, I could buy more off the grid items. I forgot to turn my move objects. Move objects. Turn it on. I used to have a thing where I had it automatically, but it was messing with my game. What is going on? I was gonna say, why can't I put it down? What the heck is you? I'm on the roof. Okay. Okay, you stay where you at, cause that is weird. Okay. I need everything, cause I need more. What's this? I have one on the roof. That is crazy. I don't want them to crash together. Let's put one here. That takes a lot of money. Okay. Let's sell you back. How much are you? Oh my goodness, why do they cost? You cost even more. The heck? How can I generate power? Are those the only way I can generate power? I thought I could buy a generator. Generator. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. I need to find some more money so I can buy that. Okay. Let's find some more money. Can I sell this? What is that? And why is it in here? Alright. Please don't do this to me. Do not do this to me. Don't. Oh my goodness. Why can't I sell this? Okay. Sell. Let's put you in the trash. Put you. Fine. What was I doing? Selling stuff because I need. Well, okay. You're not doing this today. We are not. We are not. We are not. We are not. Some stuff it'll let me sell, some stuff it won't. Only $100. Oh no, I just brought that lettuce. I need that for the house, I think. Okay. Yeah, let me just start selling these. I feel like I just bought these though. Okay, I'm up there though. Okay. Now let's buy the generator. JENE. Does it need to be like in the house? Or can it be outside? Generators I know like in real life are like outside. Do I need to cover it up? Is there a way I can cover it up? Okay, let's put it, pick our color, of course black. Let's put it here. Alright. And card from recycling, like dirty dishes and consumables. Okay, okay. Take that back. Okay, and then okay. Let's add fuel and see what that does. But we can't open the store now because it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm telling you, this mess is stressful. Get off my bed and go to bed. Sleep. And sleep. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. What are y'all doing? Is this finished? Okay. Put it in your inventory. Question. If I put these in there, can I sell those? We need like little egg cartons. Okay. Maybe not. Alright, girl. Cook some breakfast. Has used up his last towel. I'm so tired of like, I can't cook. There's no power. But the lights is on. What? This is confusing. Can I turn it on? Okay. I am thoroughly confused as to how that works. If you know how that works, please tell me. Oop. Okay, let's enrage. Okay. Oh, you know what? Because I'm being him. That's probably why I couldn't cook. Okay. What is going on? Nurture. Okay. Girl. Okay, y'all close your eyes right quick. I am so tired of her. Barehanded. Yeah, do that. And then put your beekeeper suit on. I hope I don't get sent to jail. Nobody's around, so let's hope I don't get sent to jail. Yeah, handle that. Handle your light work. And then come take a shower. Handle your light work, girl. Do it. Stay out my house. Get out. Yeah. Bye. Y'all seen what happened. Yeah. Hopefully she don't come back. More choices. this sim. And then yeah, clean it. And then go take a shower. Y'all don't see nothing. Didn't nothing happen. Yep. Bet you won't come back. And I bet you she probably will. She probably will. And I can't. It's like my power is used up more. Now that I got that thing. I don't know. Wake up chickens, feed the chickens. Did I clean it though? Okay, good. Let's clean the shed. I mean, having a farm is full, is work, like a lot of work. Of course. Okay, I need other ways to generate power. I mean, thank you, I guess. Let's cook before we lose power. Of course, we can't even do scrambled eggs and bacon. What can we do? Mac and cheese it is. And I only could do a single serving. Okay, let's just let's hire a caterer. We got money for it. I'll take that back. Let's order pizza. Let's order pizza. House home. Order a delivery. Let's do pizza delivery. And we're gonna go pepperoni. Put some meat. And then scatter feed. And then clean this shed. And then clean this shed. And then nurture. Why are y'all around my house? People die over here, okay? Open. Alright. Our pizza is on its way. It's gonna arrive shortly. Let's do all our farm chores while the sun is up. Yes, we are having pizza for breakfast. Yep. That don't make no sense. I swear it got worse. It got worse. I put more stuff down and it got worse. I don't know how everything keeps closing up. Maybe I need to buy a thermostat or a fireplace, heating, lighting, appliances. Where is it? Show all. Maybe the thermostat is what is making. I don't think I have a thermostat though. $450, $450. That's up there. I gotta see about that. Okay. Let's see if I can put it down somewhere though. That is the. Okay, so let's do this. And then sell that. Sell the window. What is this? Oh, that's the fence outside. There. And maybe that'll help with the, hopefully don't let it catch on fire. Let's take you and rotate you, because I don't want anything to catch on fire. Or, you know what? Let's just move you over. And move you over. Yeah. There. I just feel like we need adequate space. Okay? Alright. Gravy. I know there's no working kiosk. I hope it's not open. Oh, yeah. How you feeling? Okay. Jesus. Oh, let me check you. Dang, it need a lot of fertilizer. And I don't know I need to. What's wrong with you, girl? Really? Girl, that's your mama. And she not covered in blood. She took a shower right after, ma'am. You was tripping. Tiny ant trying to survive by storing green pellets of food. One more. Oh, okay. Well, open. Okay. I need you to stop doing that and open the store, and then you can fertilize all crops. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Get out the shed. The shed is clean. No, I just want to have power. I don't think I'm going to be able to live with this challenge for long, because I need power. 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 Alright, thank you for coming. Please buy before we run out of power. Ooh, that. I had two up here. And hopefully somebody bought it. Oh my goodness. This is stressful. I'm never gonna have a successful business. You can't buy. Because I'm sorry. It's open. I don't know how you're gonna buy anything. Can they still buy if it's open? No customers available to sway. There's a customer. Friendly introduction. Um, where is my business? Is it because... Oh, okay. Can't talk to you. Small business. No, I don't want to hire him. Okay, we're back. I'm guessing we got power back. Girl, come buy this. Oh, I need you to buy this milk. Is she gonna buy it? Can I sway her? Is it? Please, is she gonna? Really? Please? I think she bought it. She embarrassed. Girl, an alien. Who the heck is an alien? I'm gonna leave it open and I'll get power on and off. Okay, yeah. Oh, girl, get that pizza. Take pizza. We coming, girl. We coming. Don't set my pizza down. And don't let the ants get it. Walk right past the pizza lady. Get the pizza from the lady. Okay. Maybe you can get the pizza from the lady. Why can't nobody get the pizza from the lady? She gonna put it down. Are you gonna get it from her? No. Are you gonna get it from her? Girl, stop talking to these people. I need you to go get y'all breakfast. She gonna probably put it down. Okay. You're just gonna have to put it down, girl, because I don't know. No charm. Hey, Dawn. Okay, I hope that means people is buying stuff. Okay, can you do it? Can your children do it? Oh, no. Are you angry? Why are you angry? Don't be angry with me. Take the pizza. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Find out why that man's stomping. Oh, he a disruptive customer. Let's get him on up out of here. If you ain't buying, sir, and you hungry. I mean, she put the darn pizza down. Okay, let's put the pizza on the counter. And let's kick this dude out. Hey, Judith. You need to come tell people to, you need to tell people to come, buy at my store. Not play in the snow. Dude, like, what's up? You can't be in here causing, oh, it's like that. Okay, say less, say less. Bye. I don't care about you leaving. Get out. Get out my little shop. Okay? Hasta la vista. You got to go. Okay? See ya. That's right. Stump on off. You better stump on off. Did you leave me a bad review? That's what I thought. Yeah. So we've been open. Oh, what that mean? Neutral alignment. I got a little red though. Okay. Okay, I got she left with a green. Okay. Is he an alien? Okay, we're gonna close. Smell. No, sir. Oh, okay. Wicked Williams is wickeding wicked is doing his Williams thing, and then y'all been not, sir. Thank you, but no. I am married. That's a lie. I am a widow, but still, you can't be coming up in here to do all of that. Okay. Ooh, there go that girl. Let's put her. Yeah. Y'all supposed to be over here buying stuff. Alright. I guess 4 hours is long enough. We'll try to generate more. I made $107. And I got 3 tips. And I sold 3 things. Okay, so we're not having a successful farm. So maybe I can also try to offer classes. Okay? Let's add that to our repertoire. Offering classes. Small business. See if I have room. I need that clothes. I ain't washed clothes in a good minute. But I do need this clothes line. I don't need all of them though. Let's move you here. Nope. Let's sell you. And then we are going to try to bring this platform out. Oh, you know, it doesn't go out that far. Let's sell this tree. Oh no, that's a plant. And then move you here. And let's move you in. Move. Okay, move out here. And then we're gonna move you back. Move you back. And then we're gonna put the gate here. We'll put the trash can. We can put the trash can on this side. I need to pull. Oh, I can't pull you back. I do need to pull. Okay, what's in here? Okay, Mega Fern, you got sold. No, I need a platform. I need a custom platform. Where's the... There it is. Alright, so let's add to this to where I might can host a class. Okay. I don't know how this is gonna work. Power. Move you over one. Are they able to walk? They're still able to walk in the middle. And then I need to go and get... I don't remember how much these were. You, I need you. Okay, sharing is caring. God, that is huge. Okay, put you here. And we'll just do chairs. Okay, because we don't need community items. We need chairs. I just want... I need a chair. I don't need living chairs, but I need chairs. We need regular chairs. Like, we don't need no fancy chairs. Like those kind of chairs. One. We'll stagger them. Like that. Like church. Okay, and then we'll go in and change our business to attend classes and lectures. Okay, yeah. So, I want to go ahead and try to host a class. So let's try to host a class. Let's just open it and see how it goes. I can always sell more. Start class. Do I not have any skills? Isn't that amazing? Okay, gardening lecture. I can't hold a gardening class. class can't be started until the customer has checked in. Okay. All right, so let's get one person checked in. And then, oh my goodness. Power. Turn all the lights off. Lights. All candles. I'm gonna extinguish all candles. Sit in the dark. You know what? I don't think candles. I don't even think candles take up power. I don't know. Come on, y'all. Please come to... Are you coming to check in? My kiosk is not working. Oh my goodness. Please, please, please. Oh my goodness. I just don't have... What, Marcus? If you're not loaning me no money, if I should know, Holly, you know what? Go for it. Eat this apple. Okay. Check in. Okay. We got one person checked in. And then start class. Okay. Let's hope people come. It's $216 for somebody to attend. Please attend. If I could just get one person. Hey, I heard you. Okay, I don't care about that. I need somebody to attend my class. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Come on, attend the class. No matter what, I'm still your baby. Okay, repairs and upgrades. Okay, thank you, but I need somebody to attend the class. Let's lecture. Are you going to attend the class? No? Oh my goodness. I need somebody to. Please, y'all. If I could just get one person. If there's one. Is he attending? Ooh. Ooh. Fingers crossed. I gotta do it for 45 minutes. So don't get up and walk away. Yes. I got one. I don't know if he paid it, but... No, 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 no. Did he at least play? Please, please, y'all. Please. I need help. Okay, girl, you gonna have to, a local news station reached out to Asteria asking for interviews. Go to talk positive about her small business. It also could be an opportunity to help her find that falls. Stay positive. Thank you. Let's don't pee on yourself. We're just gonna have to cheat. Don't pay attention. I cheated a little bit. Okay, we are in the bronze. Who am I mentoring? Can I mentor her? I don't think I can. I think I gotta get somebody that's... Okay, first of all, let's enthuse. He was in there. And then we should ask him about his hobbies. Oh, I gotta introduce him first. Okay, we got that part. Girl, stop lecturing. We did that part. Thank you for coming again. I appreciate it. And Can we ask him about his hobbies? Ask about hobbies and skills. And then can we mentor him? Let's welcome him to the business. Did you ask him about his hobbies and skills? He dislikes to be friendly. I can do that. I can do that. Don, I don't have compliments. Why is everybody, who is he and why is everybody liking him? Okay, okay. And then it says garden for 45 minutes. Ooh, water all. And yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, girl. You got this. Okay, well, hurry up then. Yes. Ooh, that's marking it up real good. And my business is worth $450. Okay. Are you being friendly with Thomas? Okay. Sorry, Thomas. We are on a time limit. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Get that too so we can get done. I don't think I'm going to be able to mentor anybody. I'm running out of time. Okay? Okay, yeah, I know that part. I'm running out of, I got an hour and 34 minutes. That's not bad. And then your cow is dirty. Okay, we're going to leave this to the sun. Clean barber, feed barber. And clean, feed him. Hurry up, girl. Is it going? 3 minutes, 3 out of 4. Friendly. Come on, like, I want to at least get to the silver. Give encouragement. What happened to these? Okay. I don't think I'm going to get what I need to get. Oh, girl. You is funky. Heartfelt compliment. Where you going? I got bronze. That's good enough. I don't think I'm going to make it. Hold up. Wait a minute. Did y'all say? Hold up. No, hold up. Girl, did he just slap her? Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Cause, cause y'all saw that, right? Business closed. Everybody go home. Don't come running now. Y'all didn't see him just slap my daughter? That's right. Run away. I guess I'll be a violent sim. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Don't try to run now. Collecting them. You done lost your everlasting mind. You just slapped my daughter and she was out for a good minute. You know what? Everybody go home. Thank you for coming. Yeah, we made $309. Um, and somebody attended the class. He also lost his life. I was gonna pay my respects, but I did it. Yeah. Let's stick it to our no peace over here. Alright. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. I shouldn't be calling on the Lord's name and I just unalive somebody. But yeah. Um Thank y'all, Vibe Tribe, for staying, if you stayed this long, for staying this long. Yeah. We gonna see what we get into for our next video. Thank you for watching.